Hey guys, good morning. We're here at the workshop and today is the big day that we're gonna mix the GFRC mix for this new countertop job that we're working on in West End of Tortola. The client wanted a custom color, so we ordered the pigment from the States and it's like a light beige-ish color. And we have all our formwork ready. We're just setting up the mixers now, get everything ready, and we're gonna pour them today and reveal them from the molds tomorrow. So enjoy the video. It's kind of a step-by-step process of what we did, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Boom. Step 1. We start by designing and constructing the mold. It's like building the foundation of our creative vision. We carefully measure and assemble the mold, ensuring it fits perfectly into our space. This is where our imagination takes shape. Now it's time to mix our secret ingredients. GFRC, or glass fiber reinforced concrete, is a combination of Portland cement, fine silicate sand, water, glass fibers, and other additives which create a strong and lightweight mixture. It's the perfect blend of strength and beauty. Pouring time. We pour the GFRC mixture into the mold, letting it flow and settle into every nook and cranny. It's like pouring liquid art onto our canvas. And guess what? We can even add pigments and aggregates to create unique patterns and colors. Get ready for a stunning visual feast. It's time for the grand unveiling. We carefully remove the mold, revealing the intricate details and textures of our GFRC countertop. It's a moment of anticipation and excitement as we witness our creation taking form. The beauty lies in the unveiling. Now comes the time to bring out the shine. We polish and refine the surface of our countertops to suit our clients' needs, unveiling its natural luster. It's like a transformational makeover where our creation emerges as a stunning centerpiece. It's all about the finishing touches and attention to detail. Finished the demo up at the house. Now we're back at the workshop. We're gonna get the pieces loaded into the truck and get them on site to install. The final step is to install our masterpiece in its new home. We carefully position and secure the countertop, letting it claim its rightful place. It's like the climax of our journey, where our creation becomes an integral part of the space. It's time to bask in the glory of all our hard work. Beautiful clear day in the British Virgin Islands. We're just here at this residential project finishing up the micro-topping cement on the walls. So we did our base coat yesterday, doing some final sanding. We just do our base coat in white and then we'll do the finish coat with a custom color to match the countertop. The countertops have been installed. The general contractor will install the appliances and the sink. We're almost done. And there you have it, folks, our thrilling adventure into the world of GFRC countertops in the British Virgin Islands. From designing the mold to pouring, curing, demolding, polishing, sealing, and installing, we've witnessed the entire process that turns raw materials into a breathtaking work of art that is fully customizable, unlike any other material. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who appreciate craftsmanship and design. Join us on our next adventure as we continue to explore the boundless possibilities of creativity with concrete. Alright guys, that's the video. I hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and like and subscribe to the channel if you can. We'd appreciate it very much. Boom. I'm spinning outside my window. I'm spinning outside my